Insider tips from the Vasculature. How your blood vessels became the new diabetes sleuths in a recent study published in the renowned journal Science on February 6, 2025. Radiating brilliance from the halls of the Max Planck Institute, Haaglim Cho and his team have conducted a groundbreaking investigation that could revolutionize the way we understand and treat obesity-related diabetes. And no, it's not because they've turned insulin into a magical superhero, although that would be epic, but because they've discovered something fascinating going on in your blood vessels. Yes, the same ones that should be basking in the glory they've just earned. Historically, when it comes to diabetes and obesity, the debate has circled around everyday tissues like muscle and fat. But this stellar team decided to take a little detour through the vascular system. Imagine a road trip no one thought would be interesting. They discovered that a peptide hormone called adrenomedullin, which grows more abundant when you're overstocking on those adorable love handles, is casually wreaking havoc on insulin signaling in endothelial cells, the cells lining your blood vessels. Using both humans and mice as trusty subjects, the researchers identified that adrenomedullin whispers sweet nothings to the insulin signaling system, eventually convincing it to sabotage its actions. This was achieved through a cunning protein known as protein-tyrosine phosphatase 1b, PTP1b, which essentially strips insulin receptors of their power, like a coup d'etat without the drama, but plenty of betrayal vibes. While this finding is monumental, it's not without its hiccups. The study acknowledges that the full implications in humans need a lot more unraveling. The interplay between adrenomedullin, the receptors, and insulin in the magic, but slightly chaotic, world of endothelial cells poses more than a few challenges. However, there's talk of stepping up the game with further studies to see whether blocking adrenomedullin receptors could be a future therapy for diabetes. We can only hope it doesn't involve tiny hammers. Looking to the future, this research carves out a promising frontier in the fight against type 2 diabetes. By targeting the picturesque world of your vascular network rather than just tackling the regular villains like fat and muscles, there's potential for new treatments that allow insulin to perform nicely at the endothelial stage, trickling down its positive vibes to the rest of your body's metabolic pathways. In simpler terms, it could eventually lead to a means of managing diabetes that isn't another gastronomic inequality in disguise. This landmark research from Cho et al. Is not just about inspecting your blood vessels under scientific civilization's microscope. It's a grander exploration of potential diabetes therapies, paving the way for healthier and more profoundly grateful blood vessels worldwide. Who knew they could be the unsung heroes in this tale? Brace yourself for a not-so-fantastical, but incredibly practical journey led by your body's not-so-secret agents in their capillary cars.